Hello, welcome to Dig Talk. And here's a fun fact to start things off. No other state has been hit by more tropical storms than Florida, and with another storm season in full swing. The question isn't if a storm will hit Florida, it's when and how prepared are we? Before we answer that, let's break down what a tropical storm actually is. A tropical storm is a weather system that forms over warm ocean waters. It has winds ranging from 39 to 73 miles per hour. Once those winds pass 74 miles per hour, it becomes a hurricane. Well, Florida's flat landscape and warm coastline make it a magnet for tropical weather. Having these items on hand can be a lifesaver when a storm knocks out power or closes grocery stores. It's also smart to secure or bring inside any outdoor furniture that could become a projectile in high winds. Most storms form off the coast of Africa. They build strength as they cross the Atlantic and head straight for the southeastern U.S. But even if we can't stop storms from forming, we can improve how we prepare and respond. Better forecasting, stronger buildings, and community action can all help make coastal communities safer and more resilient. Well, as our planet warms, there are some troubling signs. Climate change is likely to play a role in the intensity of tropical storms. Warmer ocean waters provide more fuel for storms, and rising sea levels increase the risk of coastal flooding. In recent years, warmer ocean temperatures have supercharged some of these storms, making them stronger and faster than they were even a decade ago. Countries around the world have committed to reducing their carbon footprint, and many states have set ambitious goals for clean energy. As technology improves and more renewable energy sources come online, we can reduce our impact on the environment and slow down the effects of climate change. Now, Florida is especially vulnerable because of its location between the Gulf of Mexico and the Atlantic Ocean, two of the world's most active storm zones. Now, let's take a look at some recent activity. By taking the time to prepare now, we can all play a role in keeping our communities safer. If so, what are your go-to resources for staying informed during storm season? Share your thoughts below. So why does Florida get hit so often? That means paying attention to weather forecasts, following local news and alerts, and knowing your evacuation zone. Many counties in Florida have adopted a numbered evacuation zone system. This makes it easier for residents to know when it's time to leave. Local officials also issue alerts and storm tracking updates through apps, emergency radio stations, and text alerts. These tools help keep people informed whether they have internet access or not. Even when a storm doesn't make landfall, the threat of a storm can prompt costly precautionary measures. For example, local governments might order building closures or block certain areas of a city to tourists. As we saw in 2025, even weaker storms can cause serious damage, especially when they stall over an area and drop heavy rain over several days. In the 2025 storm season alone, Florida has already seen 4 named storms. Some caused power outages, coastal flooding, and emergency evacuations. Now let's talk about how people prepare. The first step to staying safe during a tropical storm is being informed. Another important thing to do is to stock up on essentials, like non-perishable food, water, and batteries. Now let's talk about the bigger picture. What does the future hold for Florida and other coastal communities? But it's not all doom and gloom. We've already started to see some promising developments in the fight against global warming. By working together, we can protect our planet and ensure a brighter future for generations to come. So while it's impossible to predict exactly what will happen during the next storm, one thing is for sure: we can't afford to be caught off guard. Do you live in an area prone to tropical storms? And thank you for joining me today. Until next time, stay safe and stay informed.